took so long, so it took me so long to record too. So yeah, that's why it took so long. Yeah. Let's go. Are you my friend now? Yeah. Wait a minute. Hey, I see no hacking. Where are you? There. Fine. No! No, I supposed. Well, how do you didn't have to reset my character like that. Let's do this here. Here, put it here. Where are you? I forgot to. Yeah, we're just gonna turn that off. Here. No. No. Where are you? Help me! I can't start this stupid rock. Reset character quick. Be fast, brother. It took us only 1 minute now. Here. Here. Where are you? Here. Are you checkpoint 1? What are we gonna do? Just tanga? Turning up. Yeah. Hi, how dare you? By the way, if I die, you die too. What you did to me? I'm now stuck. I'm now stuck. Jump! I said fly. Yeah, look what you did. Us? There's no us. I'll be there. Yeah, we're now kissing. Hey, yo, I'm getting out of here. Get out. I'm going to checkpoint 1. Yeah, we're going there. Look at that. See? Dad, you're so annoying. You're saying this. Kissy. Ugly motherfucking cat. Yeah, you're stuck. We wasted 3 minutes. I could have made a better video in this minute. I already get 14 I'm not cutting it. Okay guys, let's just play Blox Fruits. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna play Blox Fruits now.
Ayon sa Ministro ng Depensa ng Israel na si Yoav Gallant, ang pag-atake umano nila ay isang babala sa grupong Houthi. Dagdag pa ito ay may mayang sawi at nasugatan sa mga mamamayan ng Israel kaya't ipaghihiganti nila ito at gagawin nila ito sa sino mang aatake sa Israel. Sinabi naman ng Pangulo ng Israel na si Benjamin Netanyahu na ang daungan na inatake ng mga fighter jets ay ginagamit bilang isang entry point para sa mga grupong Houthi upang makatanggap ng mga sandata mula sa Iran.
From the beginning of the war, I made it clear that Israel would
Waiting off in my main account, General B23. Right to
I asked the Israeli cabinet to back my decision to strike against the Houthi targets in Yemen. The port that was targeted is not an innocent port.
Okay,
It's
let's
used as an
start
entry
over
point
again.
For weapons that are supplied by Iran to its Houthi
Me as a
terrorist
shark
factions.
man? That's
The
rare.
Houthis have used those weapons to attack Israel, to attack Arab states in the region, to attack
My
many
sword.
others.
I'm gonna make a
This
banner.
strike comes in direct response
Okay,
to
I'm
the
gonna
killer
release from
drone
the
attack
segment. Thank you,
yesterday
your level
that killed one person and injured several others 100 yards from the U.S. consulate in Tel Aviv. But the aggression of the Houthis goes well beyond that single attack. Because for the past 8 months, The Houthis have launched hundreds of ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and drones against Israel. The only reason those attacks have not caused a greater loss of life has been the defensive measures taken by Israel and its allies, which together have intercepted hundreds of attacks on 7 fronts. The Houthis in Yemen, Hamas in Gaza, Hezbollah in Lebanon, Shiite militias in Iraq, and in Syria, and attacks in Judea and Samaria, and of course, attacks directly conducted by Iran itself is the worst foreign agent. In defending ourselves against this Iranian terror efforts, Israel strengthened the front lines against the countries in the entire Middle East, countries in the West, and to Israel's enemies, I have a simple message. Do not allow Israel's determination to put itself in everything. Although we seek
Finally a level. Quiet brush only game.
Naghiganti ang Israel
We're trying to
at
be
inatake ang mga militang tinggong
very prison run.
na kung tawagin ay
Yeah,
Houthis.
very prison run.
Ito ay matapos na atakihin ng Houthi ang Israel noong nakaraang Biyernes na kung saan umatay ito ng isang Israelita at 10 ang sugatan. Nagsanhi din ito ng pagkapinsala at sunog sa Tel Aviv dahil
Very
sa
prison
biglang
run.
pag-atake ng Houthis. Kinumpirma naman ng pulis ng Tel Aviv na ang turang drone at missile strike ay hindi mismo sa lupain ng Tel Aviv sumabog, kundi sa aerial territory lamang ito. Marami ang nakasaksi sa naturang pagsabog. Nagsasabayan ngayon ng investigasyon ang gobyerno ng Israel kung bakit nakapasok sa aerial territory ng Israel ang drone at missiles ng Houthis. Banta raw ito sa kanilang seguridad. Dahil maging mga drones ng Houthis ay pumapasok na at nanulusutan ang mga air defense system ng Israel at ang Iron Dome air defense system, lalo na sa pahayag na binitawan ng Tel Aviv Police at ipinahayag nito ang situation ng Iron Dome air defense system. Ayon sa naturang police, mahirap daw talaga i-intercept ang mga maliliit na drones dahil hindi raw itong madikit ng kanilang air defense system. Paglilinaw pa ng pulis ng Tel Aviv, hindi raw ito nangangalagan na wala ng capability ang Iron Dome air defense system ng Israel na mag-intercept ng mga missiles at drones ng kalaban. Ang ibig lamang daw niyang sabihin na talagang may mga nakakalusot, lalo na mga maliliit na mga drones. Pero ipinaliwanag niya na 90 to 91% ay nai-intercept naman nila ang mga ginagawang pag-atake ng mga kalaban ng Israel. Kaya naman ng mga isinagawang pag-atake ng Hezbollah at Hamas. Gumamit ito ng rockets, drones, missiles. Pero lahat ng ito ay napabagsak. Inamin din ng authority ng Israel na kasama din nilang nag-i-intercept ang ibang mga bansa na kanilang alyado gaya ng United States of America, UK at maging ang Saudi Arabia. Biyernes ng alas 3 Gs ng madaling araw sa Israel, gumawa ng pag-atake ang Houthis bilang suporta nila sa kanilang mga brothers sa Gaza. Mismong Houthis ang umamin sa naturang pag-atake. Kinumpirma naman ito ng gobyerno ng Israel na talagang merong isinagawang pag-atake ang Houthis. hindi gaanong nagsalita ang Israel tungkol sa pangyayari ito at tila may binabalak. Isang oras matapos umatake ang Houthi sa Tel Aviv, lumipad ang jet fighter ng Israel at ito ay nagtungo sa Yemen at tuluyan ng gumante ang Israel. Ito ang pinakaunang ginawang direktang pag-atake ng Israel sa Houthis ng Yemen. Siyam na buwan na ang nakakaraan sa digmaan ng Israel at ng
Duray, I have to show you something.
provocation na ginagawa ng
I
Houthis
beat it
laban
again.
sa Israel. Sa pamamagitan ng pagbubog
I'm about to become the fastest.
May kinalaman man sa Israel o wala, hindi na nakatiis ang Houthis. Hindi lang mga barko na dumadaan sa Red Sea ang tinitira nila. Nitong nagdaang Biyernes ay direct attack ang kanilang isinagawa sa Israel. At ito rin ang pinakaunang ginawang direct pag-atake ng Israel sa Houthis ng Yemen. Ayon kay Benjamin Netanyahu, sasaktan namin kung sino man ang mananakit sa amin. Panglaisipan ngayon kung paano isinagawa ng Houthis ang kanilang pag-atake sa Israel. Dahil maliban sa Red Sea, bago ito makapagsagawa ng pag-atake sa Israel, ay kailangan itong daanan ang lupain